Yeah, we're live, everybody. Good morning. It's Adam down in Costa Rica. That's Will. Where is he, man? Will, are you there?
I'm in New Jersey, still at the shore.
Oh, man.
Hello, chameleons.
Summertime in New York, baby. Love it.
Summertime. Who
All
sang?
right. What? Summertime? Summertime, Will
Summertime.
Smith, man.
I love Philly.
All right, man. Let's bring up the chameleon, man. What do you got for us today, man?
What the-
Will says he can't guarantee winners, but he can guarantee losers. So
I'm good at that.
everybody can.
What's happening here?
Boy, man, Infinity Me is the best
Wow.
of me, man. I love that, dude. Thanks for that. Appreciate it.
All right, let's go, chameleons.
All right.
Let's take a look at the landing page, see what's cooking. Did everyone see Target's earnings this morning?
What they have going on today?
Oh, they destroyed it.
They crushed it?
Crushed it.
Really? Retail's back? Is retail back?
You know what? The ones who've adapted, Target, Walmart, get your socks on. They're going to start taking from Amazon.
Yep. People still like to go around and walk around and shop, don't they? They still
but
do.
the growth is coming online. They're getting amazing online numbers. I mean, Walmart's really going to be the Amazon potential killer. So this was the straddle yesterday was applying a 5%, 5.7% move, and it's right there. Those options traders, look at them. Some of them, the ones who are still left, and the signal was bullish.
Smartest traders in the business.
Yeah, and look at the chameleon showing us bullish option signal. Love that, and it's up today.
So if you got in on. Did you? Was that a play of yours yesterday? Did you get in on Target?
I wish.
Come on, man.
That was not on the radar.
Not looking back, looking forward. What are you looking at
forward
today? What do we get today? What something?
Well, we looked at one that was up INCY yesterday. That was up 5 days in a row, and was up another 0.8% yesterday. If you see that up there, we still have that.
Yep, INCY works.
And we were looking at bull call spreads. Here's another one, CTL, popping up 9 days in a row. Figure why not take a look? It had a lot of volume at the end of the day in the stock. So bring up another page. I'm going to go zoom in. Nothing there. All right.
Well, for you guys, anybody just joining us, I'm Adam. That's Will. We're Market Chameleon. And be sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell down below. We're on every morning at more or less 7:30 New York City time.
Whoa, is that a wolf?
That's my wolf in the background. 7:30 only because that's 5:30 for me. I'm in Costa Rica. And man, it is tough to get up at 5 in the morning, but I do it. I do it for the chameleon, man.
Bringing chameleon love to the world. Look at you, spreading the chameleon.
Dude, I try, man. It's hard, man. But you got to get up, do your push-ups. Will, that's what I tell you.
We're gonna search for CTL, see if anything's popping up in the full call spread.
So what'd you see that made you interested in CTL?
Well, we're showing it's up 9 days in a row. It's been again, could it be it's formed the bottom? Is this going to continue higher? I'm going to see if there are any bull call spreads to put on with some edge. And there are a few showing up with, if you look at the downside cushion, break even. So the stock could even go down here 1.2%, 1.4%, and you still show a nice max gain and a nice percentage return if the stock is unchanged. Sorry, I'm clicking too many numbers. But I liked this right here. What was this? This was the 1924, or this one looks, it's 2124. Mm-hmm. That looks interesting. This 2324. This is a 43%.
So what are you doing after it looks interesting to you? How are you diving deeper right there? What are you going to do?
Well, what I'm going to do next, which is an interesting piece I haven't shown before. Bring up another tab.
Yep.
And we'll go to spreads. in CTL, and it was the SEP 18, and we were looking. Let's go back and get the strikes. Where we're going to do a vertical spread, which is the same month, 2 different strikes. And here we're going to do 2 calls, and the calls were the 23, 24.
Yep.
So
I hope you guys are all following this. I'm sure we have some advanced traders watching right now. We're here every morning. I'm Adam. That's Will. And you can click the subscribe button down below to get alerts, and we let you know exactly when we get on, so you can check us out every day. As Will walks us through his winner for the day or loser.
Well,
you never know. It is options, right, brother?
Well, it absolutely is. There's always risk in the options. One thing about the spreads that we're showing is with the spreads, you know your risk going in. So you're spreading your risk. You know how much you can make. You know how much you can lose. So basically, I'm just going to add this to my watch list. So even if you don't want to actually go into the market and put real money to work, you can start watching. All you have to do is register and set up a watch list, and you can start watching trades we talk about, or any trades you come across yourself doing your research, which are going to be your best trades. So I'm adding this spread to my watch list.
So what does this spread tell you? What's that chart? And what does that data tell you right there?
Well, that data is telling us everything we saw on the previous page. It's just downloading it. It's just telling us that your max, your return is 43% if nothing happens from this spread, and your max gain is 47% if it finishes at the best spot between 23 and 24.
Yep.
And then you can always go. This is my watch lists. To show you how to check it, you click up here. Now I have a whole ton of watch lists, but if you go down to the bottom, you can see your strategy watch lists under option watch lists.
Yep.
And it added that CTL trade. The INCY yesterday, I added, it's 3.4% gainer. But so that was one thing I saw off the front. Now this is the landing page. Off the landing page, it was interesting and something that I'm, brought something to my attention that I'm thinking about. Yep. Another thing I would do today is go to the upcoming earnings. Now this is a premium feature. It's not just the calendar. I'm going to go to the option screener strategy and see if there's anything popping up in the next couple days. Number of observations, we'll do 12. Win rate, I know Adam in Costa Rica doesn't do anything for less than 70%.
80, dude, 80.
Average return, 10%. The mean, clean that data up, and we'll just do a search. And then I'll search by the days, next day to open, and see something.
Get ones that are close to us.
Get ones that are close. One that's popping up here is the average return is 22% GES, median 15, best in the gains of the 12 is 106, worse is down 77%. So we can click on that, and that's buying the 25 delta calls. So you got, you can look at that today. You could look at TCD. But I was going to look at, let's see if there are any at the money straddles. HRB, they have earnings coming up the 28th after the market close. ANF, so there are some opportunities here to start looking and do your research.
All right.
Do your research, baby.
So, but what's your loser? The McBride loser of the day is
selling China. Stay away from getting short China at this point. Maybe a little late.
Really?
My feeling. Okay. Do what you want. But that's my feeling. Don't get short China.
Don't get short China. So you think China might make a little run here?
I think at some point you're going to want to, nibble at the Chinese stocks. Nibble, nibble, nibble.
All right, man. There's your tips of the day, everybody. Remember, click down below. Click that subscribe button. We're here every day. And love seeing all of you, and we'll get to your comments another day. Today we just wanted to. We were in a bit of a rush. Will's got builders coming in, or whoever.
Well, so, contractors
living that dream.
They're winning every day. Those contractors. Thank you, Chameleon community. Trade small. All right. Later.
Trade often. Trade safe.
Bye-bye.
Later, guys.